So we're currently in Minnesota, but tomorrow we're flying to California.
It's gonna be awesome. We're going to San Francisco. I am most looking forward to sunrise at the Golden Gate Bridge, but we're gonna shoot a wedding. I'm pumped about it. She's shooting a ton with me this year, and she's already been killing it, so stay tuned. We're gonna have a blast, yeah?
See ya.
Bye.
Plot twist. We're in St. Louis. We're going to the Arch.
We're still going to San Francisco, but we have a 3-hour layover, and so we're gonna spend it by going to the Arch. Also, it's not the same day anymore because our flight was canceled and we had to reschedule our flight. This is like the 8th time this year that's happened. And time for the Arch. So this is actually kind of fun because the first trip we ever took together was in Chicago. We landed, we took a train into the city, we did the bean, we did all that stuff, and we flew straight back the same day.
This is a deja vu moment.
Making the best of a long layover and making the best of a canceled flight from yesterday. 7:30 a.m. It's early.
Home of Mark McGuire. Do you know who that is, Josh? I bet not.
I don't do baseball.
Okay, and just like that, we ended up finding the Arch. It was fantastic, way easier than we thought as well. Probably helps that there's a train that goes straight to the Arch. But we got our picture taken, which is pretty much all we really wanted, and now we're gonna head back to the airport after a little bit more exploring, maybe some coffee, definitely some coffee. Yeah, right? Okay, bye. Okay, so we're quickly realizing that there's only so many ways you can shoot an Arch, and on that note, we're gonna go back to the airport and then fly off to San Francisco. See you there.
We made it to San Francisco.
It is sunrise. We've been here for one day. We are exploring a beautiful beach, and we're not gonna tell you where, and we're not gonna tell you what you're shooting. You're gonna find out in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, and we're back.
We're at Baker Beach.
Sunrise was great. We loved it. Although, to be honest, we still haven't seen the sunrise because it turns out it's overcast, and San Francisco is always overcast. So from here, we are going to get in the car and head to Alcatraz. It's going to be awesome. We're going to learn about escapes.
We're going to go to Alcatraz on a boat.
We're going to go to Alcatraz on a boat because it's an island. That is actually very correct. Okay, bye guys.
I'm prisoner number 275. I am in for Grand Theft Auto.
Okay. Okay guys, we made it to Alcatraz, and the best part is we're like the first off the boat.
It is empty.
We skipped the mandatory orientation and came up here as fast as we could. So we get this whole place to ourselves.
It's pretty sweet. We're gonna go find Al Capone's cell. Very out of breath. Very hilly. Sturgis Island. It was unbelievable. I would highly recommend it. Oh, and the 3 prisoners, I think they're eaten by sharks. What do you think, Josh?
3 prisoners for sure made it out, no question about it. They're free. They're in Mexico or somewhere right now. Absolutely. 100% for sure. We're heading to a new place now. We'll see you guys in a little bit. We don't know where, we don't know when. It's gonna happen later. Good morning, guys. I'm back with the beautiful Lisa.
Okay, just to clarify, he has made me get up at 5 a.m. for 3 days in a row.
3 days in a row. 4 days. Yeah, 3 days in a row. And we're back at sunrise again at the Golden Gate Bridge. Now we are at Battery Spencer instead of, where were we? Baker Beach.
Baker
It was
Beach.
yesterday. So it's gorgeous. We made it just in time. The clouds gave us a little bit of wiggle room, and now we are going to check out some beautiful stuff, and we're going to show you all of it.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Okay, guys, we are all done at the Golden Gate Bridge. It was amazing. It was so worth waking up this morning. Lisa's up on the big ledge. I had to go down to the possibly illegal smaller bridge. Such a blast, so much fun. So glad we came out here this morning. And then on top of that, we're going to the Merwoods next. But in 2 days I propose. 2 days, that's it. Oh, it's coming up soon. Couldn't be more excited. Still 100% sure it's the right choice, so stay tuned.
We are currently at Muir Woods National Park.
That's all I got.
I thought this was a partnership.
We're at Muir Woods. It's
Yep.
beautiful, and there's redwoods everywhere, and we only broke the rules once so far, so we're doing great.
Yeah, we're doing good.
And the trees are massive.
Well, that's not a great
So
angle.
big. It's a great angle. And okay, bye.